Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we're gonna take it easy on those joints. We're still getting in our 2,000 steps, and it's a low impact, easy cardio workout, all right? So we're gonna be all standing, no groundwork, no lunges, no squats. We're gonna keep on moving throughout this entire thing. So go ahead and get ready to bring it. If you haven't already, do a nice little warm up before going into this, and we get right started in this thing. So big old bright juicy smile on your face, get a quick sip of water. We're gonna kick this off with our base step. So we're gonna step left and right. I want you to remember this step because as we go throughout this workout, this is going to be our active recovery move right here. Find a pace that works for you. You're tapping the foot each time and picking your foot up off the ground. We're gonna go for 20 seconds of work, 10-second active rest in today's workout. So let's keep pushing. So this is our active rest. We're gonna stay in that base step, and then we're going into our next exercise, which is gonna be a double pump knee taps, all right? Core locked in, we're gonna bring it up and over, come on. Tap, tap. That knee drives up to that hand, that foot taps the floor. Slow it down if you need to, modify as needed throughout this workout, come on. Active recovery, base step. All right, from here, we're gonna play off that last move. We're gonna hustle over, give me 2 drives, and then hustle over, all right? So, we're starting from the left. We're gonna hustle over towards the right. Pump, pump, 1, 2, 3, and back over. Come on. Cover some ground here, so moving side to side. To the center, step it out, come on. All right, we're going left to right, pedal feet. We're gonna stay nice and grounded here, core locked in, pedals feet. 2, 3, 4, turn. Keep those feet off the ground. To the front, come on. Lock it in through the core. Working through the glutes, the hamstrings, the quads, the calves, forward. Turn. Back to the front, base step. Still picking that foot up off of the floor here, all right? You don't wanna drag that knee and harm your knees. All right, from here we're going from the right. Shuffle it over, give me those knees. 1, 2, and up, and over, come on. 1, 2, come on, over. Move those feet, we're still pushing for those 2,000 steps. We can still get 2 more pumps here. Good, walk it out. All right, so now, we're gonna bring those arms into the fray, just stepping left to right, into an alternating stepping jumping jack. Let's go. Step into it, big steps. Push off those glutes side to side as we do so. Pushing from the glutes, not the knees. And stepping those feet inward as we swing those arms. Come on. Walk it out. You're still moving, that's what I'm talking about. Knees coming off that ground. We have side to side step, tap, unders. So we're bringing it over and tap, come on. Give me that side shuffle, pick that knee up, lock in that core. If you need to modify, knee stays low. There we go, sweat starting coming. All right, let's raise the roof, celebrate. We're gonna step in the base step, arms come up. Let's go, raise it up. Press like you have a medicine ball in your hand, or you're trying to put something high on the shelf. Feet still come off the ground, that dragging that knee in that side step. Come on. Walk it out, bring those arms down, shake them out. All right, we're going for iso leg sprints, left legs in front. To modify, you're just gonna drive it, okay? Let's go. Nice little bounce. The waist in the front quads as you drive that right knee in. Leaning forward, getting the glutes and hamstrings in there as you do so. And locking through that core. Come on, we got this. Good. Walk it through. All right. Pedal, butt, kick, pulls. We're gonna be grounded. Then we're gonna pull through our back into those butt kicks. Let's go, pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And low. Step it through. And down. Come on. Pull through that back. Sometimes you want to do the move a little bit longer, all right? We got 20 seconds and we're pushing through. Let's go for some iso leg sprints. Right legs in front, left knee drives. Load it up. Come on. Same tempo, same reps as the previous side. Come on. Swing those arms. My quads feel it. Abs a lot. Chest is up. Come on. Still moving. That's what I'm talking about. All right. We got base stillers. So we're going to pedal a bit. We're going to hustle over. Going 3 levels. Then bringing it back in. So pedal. Give me level 1. And over. A little bit farther. 2. And over. Come on. All the way over. 3. Boom. Good. Still in first base. Still in second base. Let's make it all the way to third. I'm gonna get a sip. Keep on moving those feet. We got this. All right. We're going for a try march knees. This is gonna take some coordination, so if you need to, just left and right with the knee. We're going 1, 2, knee. March. 1, 2, 3, boom. Yeah. Work that core. There we go. Check it out. Base stillers from the left, going towards the right. First, second, and third base, you know what to do. Good, walk it over. Pedal those feet. First base, come on. Feet come off the ground. Second. Third. Yeah. Come on. First. Second. Make it all the way third. And walk. Woo! Calves on fire. Try knee combo. 3 knees to the side. Is it 3 or 4? It's 4. All right, so we're going 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 in the center. 4 to the right. Come on, center. And over. Make it all the way to the right. 2 in the center. Walk it out. All right, we're more than halfway through. We're gonna go for A jack steps. Watch the coordination here. You see it in the previews. So, checking that left foot out and forward. Come on. Yeah. Actually, let's pump it up. There we go. Foot out, foot in, arms out, arms in. Come on. Nice, you're doing an excellent job. Okay, 180 Brisk March. If the march is too much on your knees, I want you to pump here, all right? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, to the front, come on. And turn. To the front. Come on. Just bring it over. Nice, all right. We're going for 8 jack steps. Coordination on the right. Now you might be more coordinated on one side than the other, but just put your best foot forward. You got this. Bring it out. Come on. Out with the arms, out with the legs, in with the arms, in with the legs. Let's go. Yeah. Step it through. Yes, I love it. All right. 1 step at a time. Knees still coming up. Side B jab march. Left arm only. So we're going left, diagonal. Left. We ain't even gotta look diagonal. March it out. Now let's look at it. Boom. And over. Yeah. There we go. Good. Side B step. So we're gonna come from the right. We're gonna hustle over towards the left, then diagonal, then back over towards the left. Let's go. Hustle it over. Back to the right. Diagonal to the left. Bring it back, come on. And over. Get some lateral movement. Come on, loving it. Walk it out. All right, step jacks. This time, arms are up, left and right as we go. Let's step it over. Back over, come on. 1, 2, over. 1, 2, over, come on. One more. Walk it out. All right, side V jab march. Then we go to side hustle steps, going towards the right. So right arm is gonna work, left leg is stepping, right arm is stepping, leg is stepping. I don't know, I think my leg bone connected to my arm bone or something right now. Come on, over. We got the movement together though. One more for good luck. Good, step it out. We're gonna step over towards the left. Hustle with that lateral movement. Come on, we getting there, family. We still got that sweat going, hustle. Diagonal towards the right. Bring it back. Nice and safe on those knees. Push through those glutes. Locking that core. Come on. Good, walk it out. All right, from here, side to side front jab march. We're mixing in some kickboxing here. Guard up, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. March it out. 3, 4, and over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. Come on, jab it over. And walk. All right, no jump rope. So a jump rope, literally with no jumping. All right, so we're gonna kick those feet out, swing those arms, kind of flex through those biceps, shoulders a little bit here. Let's go. Yeah. Still moving those feet, soft on those knees. I'm gonna turn with it. Come on. 3, 4, to the front. To the right. To the front. Come on. Let's keep it at the front. Stepping. All right, right now, we're in those championship rounds. There's 5 more exercises to go. We're gonna go over the Hacky Tap Shuffle, all right? So we're gonna bring it over, tap, tap, other side. Get that internal rotation of the hips going here. By picking up that heel, working that core, and tapping side to side. One more, keeping it even. Now I'm struggling more one side more than the other. I'll give you a guess which one that is. All right, front to back knees. Move it back, let's bring it forward. And back. 2, 3, 4, forward. Pick those knees up, all right? We're taking the intensity down. It's a great opportunity to focus on that form. Get those knees higher. That way when we do high knees and all those fast movements, we built that strength. Push off steps. We push those haters away. We're almost at that finish line. Let's go. Base step, push from that chest. Flex those arms back like a back pull. Getting the upper body involved in our cardio. Come on. Push like you mean it. Still stepping. All right, from here. High, low, wide steps. We're going for a low pedal, then we're bringing it out. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, out. 4, come on. 3, 2, 1. Low and high. Other side first. And down. Pick those feet up to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it out. We're coming for our final move. We're going for 30 seconds. High, low, jab, switches. So, jab, then bring it low. Let's go, up. 3, 4, bring it low, come on. 3, 4, and up. Find an opportunity, get those steps. Lock in that core, mod is needed. Down, punch evenly with both arms. Come on. And down. Almost there, family. One more down. And we're gonna throw one more punch for that fist bump. Bring it in. Boom! Fist bump. Way to rock it. Way to take it easy on those joints. Way to still get in those steps. Speaking of, how many did we get? 2,185 steps. We're going at our own pace, building up that cardiovascular strength. And don't you feel great? I often say motion creates emotion. As you get in, as you move, sometimes you don't even feel like working out at all. But once you get that movement in, your body gets warm. You're like, hey, look, the body is primed to move, and it's gonna reward you for it, all right? So shout out to you all for bringing it today, putting your best foot in front of the other, and getting in those steps. As we're going through our day, let's keep up with those healthy habits, putting healthy food in our stomach, healthy things in our relationships, and healthy things in our mind, mental health over every single thing else. So we come back and crush it. It's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.